So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second method, if you have any USB devices or cables plugged into your computer, you could try to unplug it and then plug it back in. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once we're on this, you want to find your unknown device. Once you find it, you want to right click on it. It might say for you update or uninstall. You can try both of these methods right here, to update and to uninstall it. Or it might say remove, you could just remove it. You could also click on your computer name and then click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Now once this appears again, see if that works. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and then click on enter. And now this will come up. You want to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you want to click on apply this fix and then click on next and then click on enable. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem.